Hazrat Abu Huraira and Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhum narrated that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "On the resurrection day, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will assemble all the people and paradise will be drawn near them. Then all Muslim will get up to go to Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and submit, 'O our Father, get the door of paradise opened for us.' But he will say, 'Your father's inadvertent slip caused you to exit paradise. I do not hold this office. Go to my son Abraham, who is an intimate friend of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu.'" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam would say, "I do not hold this office. My status of being his intimate friend is below the status of holding the office of major intercession. Go to Hazrat Moses alayhi salam, with whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu interlocuted." The people will then go to Hazrat Moses alayhi salam, but Hazrat Moses alayhi salam will say, "I do not hold this office. You should go to Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, who was caused to be born by the favorite word of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and is his favorite spirit." Hazrat Isa alayhi salam will say, "It is not my status. Go to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam will then get up and he will be accorded permission to intercede. Beside it, trust and mercy will be released, and either of them will stand up on the right and left side of the Sirat bridge. First of you will cross the bridge like the lightning. The transmitter says, "My father and mother be sacrificed for you. What thing passes like lightning?" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Have not you watched the lightning passing and returning with batting of an eye? The next group will pass like the wind. The next one will pass like the flight of a bird and the running of a man. The speed of every one will be as per his deeds. And your Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam standing on the bridge Sirat will be saying, 'O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, let them cross safely, let them pass safely.' Then a time will come when the people's deeds will render them incompetent, and the people will be unable even to walk. So they will pass the bridge dragging themselves, and the iron thorns under command will be hanging on the either side of the bridge Sirat, and they will seize the one about whom they will be ordained. Some of them will get delivered wounded, and some will fall in hell, being entangled therewith." Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, "By him in whose possession Abu Huraira's soul is, the abyss of hell is equal to a 70 years journey." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 481.